All right, so we've got a problem to solve. We need to get this hub off of this wheelchair motor because we want to put this drive sprocket on here for our track drive robot. And it's seized on here pretty good. I already put puller on there and tried to pull it off. I actually want to try heat next. When we put the heat on it, we want to have some upward pressure. I'm just going to get some tension built up there on that. You know, instead of using a wrench, I should probably use an impact on that. But I'm trying not to do it with the impact because I'm trying to put myself in the situation of somebody who doesn't necessarily have a lot of expensive shop tools. What I had on here was a wrench. Typical low budget way to do it, but I can't get the leverage I want. This is the easy way. Come on. That's going to be more of a challenge than I thought it was going to be. This is real life, as they say. Liquid wrench. And that's been on there for about an hour. Let's see if that did any good. I'm going to go back to using heat. Going up in a... Come on. My 20-ton bottle jack from Harbor Freight has been sitting around for so many years unused that it is seized up. Oh, shoot. I buy another jack. This is my 12-ton jack. Got to find a bottle here that I can... I don't know. Ah, shoot. All this just to get this. So this will be like a whole day of goofing around with bottle jacks and a half-built hydraulic press just to get this hub off of this shaft. That's the reality. Are you willing to tough out the parts of the project that are not fun, not creative? I don't know, this jack seems really weak, but I don't know. I'm gonna try it before I go spend money on a bottle jack. Wonder if Amazon Prime now would deliver me a bottle jack same day. I doubt it. All right, so on our fabulous detour here, trying to get a shop press put together, I had to drill holes through the jack base to get these bars on here so that I can get this to set in here, and then I gotta work really hard. I don't have real high hopes for this jack though. What a worthless hunk of junk. Well, this was all a big exercise in futility because these jacks don't work upside down. And I know that, and I don't know why I even did this because I know that these bottle jacks don't work upside down. So anyway, if you don't know that these bottle jacks don't work upside down, save yourself the trouble. Don't do this. This is stupid. Right here's the new jack. That is the 20-ton stubby, so it's a short one. Oh, they even do the, I suppose they had to cut the handle into 3 pieces to fit it in the box. There better be oil in this. Stop! Do not return this product to the store. Oh, okay. I don't plan on it. I plan on using it. Come on. I need to figure out a clever way to destroy this hub. I mean, there's no set screws on this, nothing. It's just friction right now is holding this thing on here. We're going to take apart this gearbox to see if this axle can be somewhat easily taken out. Wow. How in the world would that even come out of there? No, I'm not gonna mess. I'm not gonna mess with the inside of that. All right, so begins. That's it. I'm done trying to figure out nice, elegant ways of taking this hub off. Before I go and try the destructive method on this and destroy this hub, I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to use MAP gas. MAP gas is hotter than propane. Let's try heating it up with MAP gas and see if that breaks it loose. I'm not real confident that that's going to work because I think that the shaft is really binding on the keyway, and I think the keyway is just partially sheared and it's just jammed on there. Man, that just stinks. So much for trying to only use tools that the average hobbyist might have. Oh, this is painful. I suppose I had high hopes that that shaft wasn't going to get damaged by doing it this way. Wow, I just can't believe how difficult this is turning out to be. All right, we're getting serious now. Ah! This is brain rattling loud. Oh, look at that. The keyway came right out. Let's try the puller since I got this piece all cut up. Finally! There. Just to get that last half inch or so. There! Wow, that feels like such a breakthrough. Now, how difficult is this last piece of hub going to be to get off of this shaft? Let's go back to the fart pistol. Oh, I think we got it. There it is. We tried liquid wrench. That didn't work. We tried propane. That didn't work. MAP gas. That didn't work. Puller. It helped, but that didn't work. We tried putting together a hydraulic press, 20 ton. That didn't work. Chisels, air chisel hammer, and Milwaukee Portaband. That's what it took to get that stupid hub off that shaft. Unbelievable. One more thing I want to do is I want to check the brushes. I want to see what's left of those brushes.
Where to get some new ones.
Okay, so these brushes are really good. Look at that. That's pretty good. All right, let's just check one more. This is a 4-pole motor. Yes, those are good. Those are good. It even looks fairly clean inside there. I don't see, you know, it's not all black, full of carbon. It actually looks pretty good in there. So that's the end of this wheelchair teardown video. I was hoping to get farther along and have bearings installed in these pieces, but that's not going to happen until I think the next video, because finally we've got these wheelchair motors ready.